Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine the median using R and my stikpetR library. I'll be using Jupyter Notebook, but this code will also work fine in RStudio. And the advantage of using my library's median function is that it can also deal with non-numerical data. So I have separate videos on what a median actually is. It's simply the point at the middle, so 50% of all scores should be higher or equal to the median, and also therefore 50% should be lower or equal. To show you by example, I'll load in a data file. It's from a general social survey from 2012, slightly adjusted just for these purposes, for explanation. And I'll be using this as a scale field, World Wide Web hours, which I think is how many hours somebody spent on the World Wide Web. And as an ordinal field, accounting scientific, which actually is about how scientific they think accounting actually is. That has some labels to it, so I'll put these in the proper order as a special coding. Now I'm going to be using my own library. It has a function measurements underscore and then median, and it's not available on CRAN. It's just available by using DevTools and then install GitHub and then my GitHub account. Once you've installed it once, you can simply load the library by using it as any other library, so library stikpetR. The function has three parameters that you can fill out. One has to be filled out, of course, which is the data itself. Levels is then that coding, which is optional. And you can also specify what to do if there's a tiebreaker. So if it's exactly between two values, you can either then say, well, it needs to show between this and that, or specify that you want just simply the low value or the high value of that. So let's take it for a spin. If I use the scale field, then I simply get the median, which apparently is 5. And if I use my ordinal, then I simply get to see that it's not too scientific. If something falls between two, for example, if I use the coding itself, then the middle option, there was no middle option, there are only 4. So if we scroll back, sorry for that. So as you can see, there are only 4 options. So the median should be between not too scientific and pretty scientific. So exactly between these two. So if I use this and then also feed it to coding, it simply, oh, not this one, this one. As you can see, it will then simply say between not too scientific and pretty scientific. Alright, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.